the halls with boughs of holly.
Hi folks, it's getting closer and closer to Christmas. In 2 weeks time today, it'll be Boxing Day. So I really need to get on with my Christmas cake. So that's what I'm going to video today, how I make my vegan Christmas cake.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Don we now our bright apparel. Join the ancient Yuletide carol. See the blazing Yule before us. Strike the harp and join the chorus. Follow me in merry measure, while I tell of Yuletide treasure. Hail the new year, lads and lasses. Sing we joyous all together, heedless of the wind and weather. Christmas chorus, fa la la la, fa la la la. Deck the halls with boughs of holly. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Don we now our bright apparel. Join the ancient Yuletide carol. See the blazing Yule before us. Strike the harp and join the chorus. Follow me in merry.
Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you do, then please like it, subscribe and hit the notification button so that you'll be notified of any new videos coming up. All I've got left to say is stay fit, stay vegan, stay happy. See you in the next video and happy Christmas and a happy new year. Bye.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly. 'Tis the season to be jolly.